Welcome guys. In this session, we're going to talk about the most simple but really important program. As we do this program, you will understand two very important principles of computer programming. First step is understand the problem statement or define the problem statement very clearly. The number two is break the problem into smaller steps. Let's define the problem statement here. The problem statement in this case really is how do I add two numbers to get the answer, which is number third. Is that clear? Any questions, guys?
What's number 3?
So essentially add any two numbers to get the answer. So third number is essentially an answer. Okay?
Got it. So input plus input equals the output?
Yep. Input 1 plus input 2 is equal to output. You already are ahead. So let's look at the algorithm right here on screen. This as simple looking problem as just add two numbers to get third actually has 4 steps within it. The first step is take A as input. Second step is take B as input. Third step is C is equal to A plus B. And then the fourth step is display C. So the core two principles that we really have in any programming is, like I said in the past, understand the problem really well. The number two is break the problem into smaller steps. Okay? And these two principles are going to help you no matter how complex or how small the program is. These two are like given. It doesn't matter which language you use, Java, C, C++, Swift, Kotlin, whatever, okay? But these two principles are never gonna go away. And that's quite frankly the core purpose of this video. So let's get on to the computer. So I have here with me on the left hand side the algo that we developed, the algorithm that we developed together. And on the right hand side I have this Swift playground which I opened from applications and playgrounds over here. It's available on Windows as well as on the Mac machine, so you can go ahead and install Swift because that's the language we are gonna do programming today at least. Let's get going. So step 1, take A as input. Let's just see how easy it is in these modern programming languages like Swift. So we are gonna just say here A equals, let's just make it 5. That's it. We're done with the step 1. Let's go for step 2. Take B as input. Same thing, where B equals 7. Oh, sorry, I did a typo here. It should have been where. Let's go on to third one, which is where C equals, just like in our algorithm, A plus B. And then the final one, which is print C. And let's just run the code and see what happens. So we ran the code. I have to show the output. So there you go, 12. It's working. Now let's just try to change output. Let's make it 8 and 9 here just for fun and see the output. 17. Boom, bingo, it worked. Thank you for watching Cute Coders.
Make sure you hit the like button if you liked it.
And don't forget to subscribe.